What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today we are making honey jerk chicken. Yes, in the kitchen, fast, easy and simple. Make sure you subscribe if you have not and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any other uploads. And for all I'm returning goodie on a don't know some love and on a ready for cook. Come on, let's cook. Okay, goodies, we have our chicken legs and thighs here that has been washed nice and clean with salt, lemon juice and vinegar, and I did put seeds in the chicken. We're going to need vinegar, jerk season, garlic, fresh garlic, all-purpose season, paprika, browning, ginger powder, onion and garlic powder, salt and black pepper, and chicken seasoning. Of course, you could substitute some of these seasonings out of your choice, but don't forget some hot scotch bonnet pepper. After you've applied everything on there, it should look pretty much like this. You want to go in for sure and give it a nice little season. But before you do that, go in and add some oil to it, so that way you'll know for sure that your chicken skin does what it's supposed to do, just like if you had put it out on the grill, honey baby. All right, now if you're still watching me cooking this recipe thus far, please be sure to thumbs up the videos because it does help the channel to grow. All right, go ahead and show the video all the love in the world because sharing is caring as well. Now after I have seasoned everything and rub on the season real good and it looks amazing and the season smells so good too, I'm going to let it sit and marinate for about a good 30 to 45 minutes and then we should be good to go. Oh, you know, so your thing really seasoned up right is when it looks pretty much like so. Perfect. All right, now after that marinating time, I'm going to go ahead and set it up on a grill setting. You guys know that I always have this kind of a setting because I want anything when I grill, mimic the grill for the outside. I'm going to mimic it for the oven too, so that it tastes like the grill and it look like the grill from outside, right? So you want to go ahead and put this in a preheated oven at 375 degrees. And we're going to let this bake for about a good 40 minutes. 40 minutes. And then we are going to add our little sauce to it to give it that honey flavor there. Yes, because we have cooked honey jerk in the kitchen, fast, easy and simple, right? Now while I put that in the oven and make it go and do its thing, it's very simple. Use your perfect tasting honey barbecue sauce and some ketchup. Any kind of barbecue sauce where you like, you go ahead and add it. And this is the trick on it. Enough honey. Put as much honey because honey is going to make this thing taste better. Okay, and we're going to go in and we are going to go in and give it a nice little mix, but don't forget to give it some vinegar because vinegar make it look young forever, nice skin and everything forever. Okay, so give it a good little spin here and that's all I need to add here. Don't add nothing else to it. It is perfect and ready. Now after that 40 minutes of baking in the oven, you pull it out, it's gonna look like that at 375 degrees, right? You go in and you add your sauce on top and be sure that you get it in all of the little cracks them. Those cracks that you made when you did cut up the chicken to season it up earlier. Yes, goodie. Make sure so you get the sauce down in them cracks too, because you want to be sure that anybody will eat a chicken here and taste the sauce down in the cracks. Now, don't forget to turn the chicken around. Turn it on the opposite side. Just like me I'm showing it right here, so. And put the sauce on this side as well. Now, another thing you want to do while you're doing this step, you want to turn your oven down from 375 to 350 degrees of heat. And after you're done doing this, you want to put that back in the oven. And you're going to allow it to bake on this side for an additional 15 minutes at that 350 degrees. And when you are done, baby, let me tell you, your house will be smelling like a jerk chicken factory. Flavor galore. And when you talk about texture, it is perfect. just be sure that you are doing these steps just like I showed y'all, okay? And again, as a reminder, if you're still watching me cooking, don't forget to thumbs up the videos, okay? Now, when we are done, look at that. Perfection at the best. And that good sauce that we made, make sure it's gonna make enough because you're gonna need it for your chicken when you're done. Put it on the plate, okay? Nice and juicy and filled with nothing but honey flavor, boo. I did make some gungo rice and peas, mac and cheese, and I did fry some plantains, and you guys will see that mac and cheese in another video. But go ahead and show some love. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Bring them come goodie and send them come. I'm waiting. And when I get done doing all of that, tell me what I want to see me I cook next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.